Hayi ke nangoku ndanixelela and nithe mna ndiyaxoka. Yeah, now there is a search party for uMadlomo, and guess who is the victim in all of this? Umthunzi ke Nana. Mthunzi is the victim of all these things, and he's pretending that he did not know anything. He does not even know what is happening, to a point where he goes to the police and pin everything to Umthunzi. Ndinixelele. Cela nithi hure. Ngoba I tell you things. Nina nathi hey mna ndiyaboniswa. He goes to the police station and says, you know what, I actually think that the person that is responsible for all of this is Umthunzi, because Umthunzi has got a dodgy past, and izinto zokuthumba abantu it would not be his first time. Previously, he did this with Ubabsemiti because he wanted money. Now he's doing it again because he thinks ukuthi ishopo kaMadlomo, it's now flourishing, so he believes ukuthi khona imali ekhona laphaya. So he's doing this so that he can get money. Guess what? The police believes the story. Wow. This was all orchestrated by the mighty men of war, uNhloso. Now he goes back to what do they call that? Etembeni. And then when he gets to Etembeni, he sees this, like there's a search party where flyers are being distributed to everybody, telling them, good to know, we are looking for this person. Wow. And then he was like, when I'm Tunzi, when? Yeah, when I was how would I even know? Why would I even waste my time going around? No, it's because you are this person of this caliber. This is how you do things. When I say, akwazi unje vele. Athi ke nangabe ungamlimaza uMadlomo, vele wazi ukuthi nami ngiyokulimaza mfana wami, ngiyokubonisa mina, ngikubonisa ini amanyoka angazi amabele wenyoka. Athi Mthunzi, why would I even do that? Lo muntu okhuluma ngaye, she's pregnant ngengane yami, so what makes you think ukuthi mina I'm that kind of a person that's going to hurt her? Athi na yabona ke manje mfana wami uzoyikhotha imbengelo yangizokuthi ngithini. When he was still angry and shouting, he got so upset to a point that he did not even see his wife coming through. Dintle came through, and then she was just shocked, and how he was releasing the fire. Like he was in until umkhulukazi is like, no, but izinto asizilungisi kanje. Why wena ulwa kangaka? Like, why are you so upset like this? You are so livid, and we don't understand how did we even get here in the first place. Ngithi umuntu akavuthi uvutha amalanga athi ya wena Mthunzela into yenzayo ngicabanga ukuthi angafika la emnyameni uthathe zonke izinto zami. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Madekwana, sanibonani, avuxeni molweni, minjhani, hi pfukile hi ngongwina. So namuntlha ka nona kwa hina wa Scandal hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Mathobela came and give the kids huggies, but on the other hand umntana ka Victor does not want to talk to uVictor because she feels that uVictor is he's supposed to go to jail for the sins that he has made. And then Mavutela told her, if yes, I understand to punish Papa how, but you must just remember all his life he was being punished because he was trying to make sure at least only one, unlike losing the other one Ashu, and then the other one goes to jail. So he was just trying to make sure that he takes care of him. Then Mwana Halalelo, she does not want to see her father. She does not want to talk to her father. She believes her papa high and she says that she's not going back to school next year. This was a communication between her and Mavutela. And Mavutela was like, no, but you can't take such hasty decision without even thinking about it. She said, I thought about it well enough. Now, people calls Untloso while he's in the place of Isgameko. Then he answers the phone and Madlomo breaks a glass so that at least it could be an awareness. Anyway, Utapelo believes that he has done justice and favor to uVictor by all the footage that is there at Betchafela that now implicates uVictor. But unfortunately, uVictor says his heart and mind, it's solely focused on getting relationship because it's like they've drifted apart now. But then he do appreciate the effort. On the other hand, again, Mathobela, I don't know who told her what, but she went to Divet and say, I'm gonna pray for you and pray for your family because Tidi Walwala. And the picture looks like a picture perfect because when Divet walks in, he found Tidi taking medication. And then he just said, you know what, Kupa unyale. So I don't know if this is Mahadi Lobola, where Divet was the one that actually initiated and said, I do not want to spend the day without you in my life.